Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best tattoo machine review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Dragonhawk Fold Pro Tattoo Machine. So this is the Dragonhawk Fold Pro, built with an aluminum body, and it feels solid but still lightweight, around 199 to 200 grams. It uses a coreless motor and you can run it wirelessly with the battery or use it wired with an RCA connection. The biggest highlight is the stroke adjustment. You get 2.4, 2.7, 3.0, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9 and 4.2 millimeters, so it's versatile for lining, shading and packing color, depending on your setup and technique. The battery is 1,500 mAh, charges in about 1.5 hours and gives around 4 to 6 hours of working time. This machine is a good option for artists who want one pen that can handle multiple styles, especially if you like switching between strokes instead of swapping machines. Overall, the Dragonhawk Fold Pro is a flexible, travel-friendly machine with wireless plus RCA support, strong battery life, and a wide stroke range. If you want a single pen for different tattoo styles, this could be a great pick. Number 4. Easy P3 Pro Wireless Tattoo Machine. This is the Easy P3 Pro Turbo, made from aircraft aluminum, and it feels premium in hand. It weighs about 195 grams, so it's lightweight enough for long sessions without killing your wrist. The main feature is the adjustable stroke range. You get 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 4.0, 4.5 and 5.0 millimeters, so it can handle fine lines, smooth shading and strong color packing, depending on your setup. It uses an upgraded, easy customized external rotor brushless motor, which is designed for smooth performance and consistent power, and since it's direct drive, the power transfer feels more responsive and accurate. Voltage range is 5 to 12 volts and it can hit about 11,000 revolutions per minute at 12 volt. The battery is 1,600 mAh, takes around 2 hours to charge and gives about 5 hours of working time, and yes, battery is included. It can pair with a wireless foot switch, giving you an even cleaner setup and more freedom to move. Overall, the Easy P3 Pro Turbo 2.0 is a solid choice if you want wireless convenience, direct drive control and a wide stroke range up to 5.0 millimeters. Number 3. CNC XW Pro Wireless Tattoo Machine. The CNC XW Pro Tattoo Machine body is aluminum and the weight is only 188 grams, so it's comfortable for long sessions. CNC also mentions the casing is designed to be easy to maintain and sterilize, which is a big plus for studio use. This machine uses a Germany coreless motor, and CNC says they upgraded the drive system for better precision, lower vibration and longer lifespan. Power range is 5 volt to 12 volt, and what's really nice is you can adjust voltage in 0.1 volt steps, so tuning it for lining or shading is super easy. The standard stroke is around 3.3 to 3.5 millimeters, and it also comes with extra stroke cams 3 millimeters and 4 millimeters. Needle depth goes up to about 4 millimeters, giving you flexibility depending on your cartridges and style. It comes with dual batteries, 2 batteries of 1,000 mAh, total 2,000 mAh, and each battery can run around 3.5 hours. Depending on voltage, charging is through a USB interface, which is super convenient. Overall, the CNC XW Pro is a strong option if you want wireless freedom, fine voltage control and a smooth low vibration motor. Number 2. Pepax Leve H2 Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Leve H2 is made from space aluminum and it feels solid and professional with the battery attached. It's about 225 gram, and without the battery using the RCA adapter, it's around 176 gram, so it's still comfortable for long sessions. One of the best features is the color LED screen. You can see your mode, voltage, hertz, time and battery level clearly. It also has a 360-degree rotating battery, so you can rotate it and keep the screen visible while you work. Super practical. It uses a brushless motor and the machine gives you two working modes, L mode for lining and S mode for shading. Voltage is adjustable from 4 volt up to 13 volt in 0.1 volt steps and Hertz is adjustable up to 200 Hz, just don't push past 200. It also stroke options are 3.5 mm, 4.2 mm or 5.0 mm, depending on the version you choose, so it can cover lining, shading and packing. Battery capacity is listed as 2000 mAh total with 2 batteries with up to around 10 hours runtime and about 4 hours charging. Overall, the Pipax Leve H2 is a strong wireless option with great controls, a smart display and serious battery life. Number 1. Ambition Mars U Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Mars U is made from space aluminum alloy and it has an ergonomic grip design. Size is about 137 by 32 millimeters and weight is around 207 grams, so it feels sturdy but still manageable for longer sessions. The best part is the 6 stroke lengths, adjustable from 2.2 millimeters all the way to 4.2 millimeters, that's 2.2, 2.6, 3.0, 3.4, 3.8 and 4.2 millimeters, so you can go shorter for softer shading, and longer for stronger lines and packing. Great if you want one machine for multiple styles. It uses a coreless motor and the speed is listed around 10,500 revolutions per minute at 12 volt. Voltage range is 5 to 12 volts, giving you good control depending on the needle grouping and technique. The battery is 1,800 mAh, charging takes about 2 hours and you can get around 6 hours of runtime depending on voltage. The LCD screen shows your voltage, battery level and working time, which is super helpful mid-session. Overall, the Ambition Mars U is a solid wireless choice if you want adjustable stroke, clear display, and a reliable daily driver feel.